Welcome back to Benny's Custom Works, proudly supported by Valvoline and Sparesbox. Don't forget Benny5 on checkout. This week we are at Summernats 2024, Summernats 36 I believe. Get amongst it. They're bloody everywhere. It's Friday, so it's one of the larger days, but not the biggest day by any stretch. I'm just here for the day, so we're gonna go check it out. I'm super keen to see Jay's VL because that thing's ridiculous and he's a legend of a dude. So let's try and find Jay and check out his VL and other stuff because it's Summernats. I am on the hunt for a Schnitzel Yellow VL. Have not found it yet. Well, I've found some Schnitzel Yellow VLs, but not the right one, because they all had momos and earbuds. But the hunt continues.
You hate Holdens.
No, I didn't. No, you didn't. I never said I hate Holdens.
Hate rotaries then.
No, I love rotaries. I just wouldn't own one. I love that you own rotaries.
How do you space that bottle up?
Jay,
Touch it.
congrats on this wild VL, mate. It's been an absolutely mammoth effort.
Yeah.
Thanks for the cruise too, because this is the first car I've been at at Summernats that I didn't own, I think. It's cool to be able to actually go around and watch the animals in the zoo.
Yeah. Listen to what they're
But
saying.
man, this is absolutely phenomenal. Congratulations on knocking it out.
Thank you so much.
Thanks to Uncle Dave as well for coming and playing Haltech for us.
Yeah, it saved my day.
So yeah, the car's now performing pretty flawlessly.
For an untuned vehicle.
Considering that this is pretty much the ultimate test of a cooling system, it only got what I would consider hot towards the end of our cruising.
Yeah,
So
yeah, it's meant.
after a bit of playing with the tune
She's ready.
and a bit of tweaking, I think it's going to be happy days. So
Yeah.
congrats, man. This thing's absolutely sick.
Thank you very much.
Top effort to you and everyone involved.
Yeah.
Well, that just about wraps up our BCW coverage of Summernats 2024. Firstly, a massive congratulations and thanks to Jay for finishing his VL project and giving us the opportunity to cruise around in it at Summernats. The thing's fantastic. It's absolutely so cool. Just the fact that it's a completely different build. An IRS VL is cool in its own regard. A little bit of a throwback to the VL Director built by Brock. Probably not a lot of people across that car, but highly recommend it if you're interested, check it out. Yeah, also check out Jay's channel, Low Standards on YouTube, obviously where you're watching us now. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.